is the 3-drawer storage system. Overall, I would say this is a very thin plastic. Push this up against the wall. It was very easy to install. It's just these plastic pieces and they just snap into the top and bottom. So it comes in a really flat box. Assembly took maybe 5 minutes. Very intuitive and very simple. But things that I had some difficulty with, like the drawers go in okay. But you can see it's just a very, like I can move it. It's a very, very thin plastic. So I wouldn't say the highest quality material. The depth is really good. Like I love the size. I'm getting this for, this is one of the issues I have. But I got this for my toddler, to store a lot of her toys. And the sizing is perfect for that, and it's really easy to open and close the drawers. Where I have some difficulties, try to do this, sorry, I'm not smart. So yeah, you can see like this has popped out here and you just snap it back in. But I had a lot of issues with wheeling this around. So you can see these are just a plastic wheel with a plastic, what is that, a caster. And there's the hole right here. But you can see the lengths like don't completely match, so I find it really hard to get these all the way in. So I haven't been able to get them to snap in or anything like that. So I do find that these pop out like very, very easily. It could be user error, but overall, like I said, like this is a thin plastic wheel. These are also just a thin and pliable plastic. It works. It's not bad. It's something my toddler can use. I opt to not use these because I just, like I said, they tend to pop off a lot for me. So yeah, I was like, I love the color and the overall idea of it. I just found that for the price point, I was expecting a little bit more robustness, but that's fine. The color is good. It's fit for use, easy to assemble. So just depending on what your
Okay, guys, please excuse my messy background. I've got to clean today. Anyway, on to this. This, I believe, is maybe $40, $41, $44. This is not worth $10. You could probably get one of these at one of those little stores, you know, where everything's $1 or everything's $2 or everything's $5, whatever. Is where you're going to find these. The little basins, I don't know if it's the color or what, but they remind me of the little hospital basins. Y'all know what I'm talking about, that they give you in the hospital when you're sick. Okay, but I'd say they're probably more sturdy, to be honest with you. The wheels can easily bend, getting them put on. I'm not going to do this with one hand because I don't want to bend it, because I will use it for something. It'll have to be something light, like papers or maybe little tiny blocks or toys if you have little ones. Something like, it's not going to hold anything like a lot of heavy stuff, I wouldn't imagine. I'm going to finish putting it together and I'm going to put it to use, and I'll let you guys know if it's any sturdier when I put it.